Hi, I am Ray, and I'm proud to be an Asian American.
Hi, I am Roxanne, and I'm proud to be a Pacific Islander.
I'm Kristen. I'm proud to be a Pacific Islander.
I'm from the Philippines in the part of Mindanao area. So I came here around 2007. We moved here after my mom and dad went to Japan and worked there for about 10 years. So back high school, we took, my mom and dad decided, hey, let's move to America after you go to school. So we take care of all the paperwork and stuff like that. So then my parents goes first, and after I finished my first degree, registered nurse, then I moved to America around 2007.
So I'm from Louisiana originally, born and raised. However, I now live in Hawaii. My mom is from here, born and raised. And I chose a career in IT because it's the latest and greatest. I've spent 13 years in the military, and I've realized that it does take a toll on my body. And instead of being physical, maybe now I can use, what I've learned and my expertise from there to continue in the IT division.
Unfortunately, in my own country, not all of the places in the Philippines you can acquire technology or try it. Sometimes they don't even have an internet connection. So, but me being enthusiast, I keep pushing. Then when I moved to America, I stumbled upon joining the IT.
My age, and I think that was my biggest fear because in my mind, I was thinking that I'm too old to start a new career, and especially in the IT career. But then I needed to get past that, and the moment I did, I needed to take that first step forward. And the first thing is going to school and gaining the knowledge and the skills I need to start my career in the IT field.
The biggest challenge for me was just adapting. It's good to see people from other parts of the world actually interested in the same thing that I am. So I wouldn't say challenging, but very interesting for me. It's fun.
I don't see a lot of Filipino talking technology. Most of Filipinos are nurses, but they don't talk a lot IT. I mean, they talk IT, but games, right? Playing video games and stuff like that, but not in the IT. So hopefully, I can invite more Filipino American to join IT field. That would be that would be amazing for a change.
To get past your fears, and you're never too old to start anything new, and you're never too old to learn new things, to create new goals. And for me, stepping into the I field was one of my goals, and so that I would just advise you to go ahead and take the leap of faith and take a step forward.
Our culture is taught to always give it your 100 and never give up. So, I mean, go for what you feel you can do and just run with it.